Are you curious about cloud gaming? Today, we're diving into Amazon Luna and GeForce Now. Both platforms let you play games without needing powerful hardware, but how do they stack up against each other? Amazon Luna is Amazon's cloud gaming service. It allows you to stream games directly to your devices. You can play on PCs, Macs, and even some smart TVs. The library includes popular titles and offers a subscription model for access. On the other hand, GeForce Now is Nvidia's cloud gaming platform. It focuses on letting you play games you already own from platforms like Steam or Epic Games. You can play on various devices too, including phones and tablets. It's all about giving you flexibility with your existing game library. Now let's look at the key differences. Luna is more of a subscription service with a set library. GeForce Now gives you the freedom to use your own games. That's a big factor for many gamers. When it comes to features, Luna has a user friendly interface and offers channels for different game genres. GeForce Now shines with its ability to run high quality graphics and low latency, especially for gamers who want the best performance. Pricing is another area to consider. Luna has a monthly subscription fee for access to its library. GeForce Now has a free tier, but it also offers paid plans for longer play sessions and better performance. So, which one should you choose? If you want a simple way to access a variety of games, Amazon Luna might be for you. But if you already own games and want to play them without buying new ones, GeForce Now is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.